YouTube. Welcome to Lady T's TV channel. Yes, darling. To all my new and old subscribers, welcome back, guys. So this video is about this hair. Oh yes, this hair is from Debet official hair store from Aliexpress. Oh yes, you can see how lovely this 613 wig is. Yeah, I love this. I wish it is coily. It would have been a bomb, but I still love it. Thanks guys for sending me this hair. This hair is from Debet official hair store, and this is their Brazilian Remy short bob woman hair wigs for black women. Yes, this is number 613 non-less wig, and less than 30 euro, guys. Yes, go and check it out and tell me what you think about this wig, this hair. And this hair is big head friendly. This cap is big, so I like it. You can see it, it fits me very well. And you can coil it if you want with your coiling iron. You want to spray gel on it, you want it rascal, do whatever thing you want with the wig. You can push it down more, you can see it, or you can push it backwards. So guys, this is the wig. Tell me what you think about it. Thanks sweetheart for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. This is your lovely Lady T. Ciao.